Certainly. Here are 30 pieces of information that young people aspiring for success should know. Success is subjective and can mean different things to different people. Hard work and dedication are essential ingredients for success. Failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Consistency is key to achieving long-term goals. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals is crucial. Time management skills are essential for maximizing productivity. Continuous learning and self-improvement are necessary for personal and professional growth. Developing resilience and perseverance in the face of challenges is important. Building strong relationships and networks can open doors to opportunities. Taking calculated risks is necessary for growth and innovation. Financial literacy is crucial for managing money effectively. Prioritizing mental and physical health is essential for sustained success. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity can lead to future success. Finding a mentor or role model can provide guidance and inspiration. Cultivating a growth mindset fosters a positive attitude towards learning and development. Building self-confidence is key to pursuing ambitious goals. Surrounding yourself with supportive and positive individuals can enhance your success. Developing effective communication skills is vital for building relationships and influencing others. Practicing gratitude and maintaining a positive outlook can improve overall well-being. Embracing diversity and inclusion fosters creativity and innovation. Respecting others and treating them with kindness and empathy is important. Balancing work and personal life is crucial for overall happiness and fulfillment. Taking ownership of your actions and decisions empowers you to create your own path. Embracing change and adapting to new circumstances is essential in a fast-paced world. Staying focused on your goals despite distractions and setbacks is key to success. Learning from criticism and feedback can help you grow and improve. Developing emotional intelligence enhances your ability to understand and manage emotions. Practicing self-discipline and self-control is necessary for achieving long-term success. Being proactive and taking initiative can create opportunities for advancement. Building a strong work ethic sets you apart from others and contributes to success.